Alright, I'm just riding back home from picking up my scripts for the doggy. Let's see how it sounds, baby. Alright, this is beautiful, another beautiful day out here, enjoying life, riding around. I had to go inside the store and get some medicine for my puppy. But while I was in the store, I was kind of asking myself, why do you ride? Why do I ride? It's an expensive, dangerous hobby. You can get really hurt. I have friends that have died doing this. I myself was in an accident with my wife. She broke her foot. I couldn't walk for like, I don't even know, a week and a half. But I don't know, why do I ride? Why do we ride? Why do we get on these dangerous machines and ride? I think it's because it's just, it's freedom. You feel that sense of freedom. You know, look at this guy. He's happy. Look at him doing his thing. Jamming out to whatever music he might be listening to, or just the sound of the engine. Just love it. It's such a beautiful thing. You know, the power of the bike, even if it's not even a powerful bike, it's just freeing, just getting outside and being in nature. And it's just a beautiful thing. That's all I can say, I think, right now. I think I make these videos too, just to document for my kids and people I love, showing them what I do. Even though, yeah, I'm in traffic right now, but it's all good. You know, I got my brother right here. Yeah, what's up, dude? It's just a fun thing to do, you know. And you know what? A lot of the times is too. We go to work and we're in these four walls, or even at home, we're just inside in the car for so long, and you get out. Get out inside, out of your element, and you're on your bike, and you have your wrist here, just controlling all the speed, just that little flick of the wrist, and that's it. All right, guys, I don't know. Let's see if she's outside enjoying that book. Why do we ride? Ask yourself that, guys. Why do we ride? Let's listen to some beats, all right? Oh, one last thing. I wish I was in a tropical place riding. California or Florida or somewhere really warm. But hey, I'm in Massachusetts. You deal with what you get. You make the best of it, right? Right. gotta be happy. Go out and ride, try new things. Be safe. We all love you. Your life matters. Listen and ride. Like and subscribe.